Golden Sunrise friends, this is Rakhi from Team VK. Let us learn in this video how you can use VK to do acupressure. Surprised? Yes, VK can do acupressure for you. This is VK, it is a steel bangle attuned with cosmic energies by Sharad sir. VK has a special feature, a very beautiful feature to mimic other healing modalities, even when you don't know how to perform them. Just give a simple request to VK. So now we will see few examples how you can use VK with acupressure. VK, please do acupressure for normal heart functioning of Sanju with safety and security. Place VK aside for 30 minutes. In this 30 minutes, VK is doing acupressure for normal heart functioning of Sanju. You didn't do anything, you don't know what is the process, but VK is doing it for you. Another example, like if you have a friend Sunita, she is a feeding mother and you want to help her to improve lactation, just hold VK and say, VK, please do acupressure to improve lactation for Sunita with safety and security. Place VK aside for 30 minutes. VK is doing acupressure for Sunita's lactation. Distance doesn't matter. If you have a friend in UK who is having pain in knee joint, just request VK like this. VK, please do acupressure for Karan's pain in knee joint with safety and security. Now suppose you have a friend Maria and she is complaining of back pain. You can use VK like this. VK, please do acupressure for back pain relief of Maria with safety and security. And keep VK aside for 30 minutes. So in this 30 minutes, VK will do acupressure on acupressure points to relieve her pain. After 30 minutes, you can place any other request. VK, please do acupressure for eyesight improvement of Karan with safety and security. Keep VK aside. Now this is for vision improvement of Karan. After 30 minutes, you can give any other request. VK, please do acupressure for normal functioning of kidneys for Karan with safety and security. Like this, you can go on placing request for acupressure for any number of people with VK. You don't have to know anything about acupressure and VK is doing it for you. Friends, you can also use VK and acupressure for some interesting things like this. Like suppose you want to reduce your weight, you can request like this. VK, please do acupressure for my perfect body weight with safety and security. Keep VK aside. VK has its own wisdom how to do acupressure for weight loss or to have a perfect weight. Another one, VK, please do acupressure for my good stamina with safety and security. You can improve your stamina with VK and acupressure. After 30 minutes, you can pick up VK and give any other request. VK, please do acupressure to relax my mind with safety and security. After 30 minutes, you can request VK for another session of mind relaxation with acupressure, or you can do any other request. So it is so simple to use VK for acupressure. You don't have to know the acupressure processes. You just have to request VK and VK will do it for you. Now even if you are knowing acupressure, you can still have advantages of using VK and acupressure. Like suppose you are yourself in pain or hyperacidity, some migraine, or too much stress. At that time you don't have strength and mindset to do acupressure on yourself. So VK is there for you. If you want to help someone with acupressure who is not in front of you, because in actual acupressure you need that person in front of you. But here with VK you can do acupressure even for a person who is in a different country. You can save lot of time and energy. So simple to use VK and acupressure for anyone. Whether you know or don't know processes, you can still use VK. Gratitude to Sharad sir for VK and this special mimicking feature that VK can copy other healing modalities just with a simple request. Do share your experiences on Lightarian forum with VK and acupressure. Golden sunrise to all of you.